विसाव प्रांत तुमकां येवकार. मुरगांव पालिकेचे सुमार 35 करोड रुपया भायर पेंडींग आसात. जे कोण पालिकेक पयशे दिवपाचे आसात तांच्यांनी मनीसपणाच्या नात्यान हे रीण बेगीनूच फारीक करचें म्हूण मागणी मुरगांव पालिकेन केल्या. RDX खातीर मुरगांवच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
As per our latest position, there are lots of defaulters who have not paid their trade license and other things. According to our latest reports, this municipality is to be paid about 35 crores by the trade people who are doing the business. So out of this 35 crores, 25 crores pertains to some two oil companies, and that matter is sub judice before the court. Another thing, there are people, more than people who have to pay 10 crores. So I have already taken up the drive. This report is also on my table, and I have also requested and also put on the newspaper also, requesting all the defaulters to pay their amount before 31st of July. We have also prepared a list. Those persons who want to check the list, they can come here and check the list also with my recovery officer. So if they are not paying that within 31st of July, we have to take punitive action against them by sealing the shops. Last time we have done it. People have come forward, but there are more people now as per this list who has to come and pay this. Because of this, our development is installed. We are giving them all type of facilities, but people are not paying the rent. This is one of the major audit para, and I have to face the audit. I am trying my best to send all my people on the field to recover this amount. When I will give the they can pay online also. So I request all the people to make an attempt to pay it. They cannot be defaulters for such a long. This is the only list where people who have to pay 10,000 above. There will be more defaulters, but as of now, I have taken the list of those persons who has to pay 10,000 above. So the list is prepared. I request all the people to come and check and make it a habit to pay on time. If they cannot pay at one time, they can ask for this installment also. We will be giving the installment also. Part payment it can be done.
Actually आमची A class municipality म्हाका दिसता 35 crores आमचे आउटस्टँडींग आसा. हांव लोकांक रिक्वेस्ट करता, कोण कोण ड्यूज आहा तेंच्यांनी एक मनीसपणान वास्कोकारां खातीर आनी आमकां बरें सर्वायव खातीर फीज पे करपाची गरज आसा. तशेंच HPCL पेट्रोलियम कंपनी म्हाका दिसता 35 crores तेंचेच आसा. शिवोन आमी लेटर धाडले, मिटिंगेन बोवाळूय जालो, आनी म्हाका दिसता ते खंय आसपास भरपाच्या मार्गार आसा. आनी हांव परत एकदां रिक्वेस्ट करता वास्कोकारांक, कितें ड्यूज आहा आउटस्टँडींग आहा ते तेंच्यांनी पे करचे म्हणून.